Hey y'all, you already know the vibes. Your girl is back again with another video, and today y'all, we got some oxtail. Do y'all see? Let's just get right into it. It's 3:36. I don't know why I be waiting so long to eat every day, but if you've been here before, you know I did not forget. They patties be going crazy. I haven't had oxtail in so long. See how tender this is? Best cabbage. Out of every place I've ever been, this cabbage, 10 out of 10. Like, just look how freaking good. Like, you just can't make up how like, look. I'm not even biting it. Today, take this as your sign to go get some freaking oxtail. The flavor, the tenderness, like, every time I eat oxtail, I see people in the comments like, oh my god, it's so much money. This plate was $16. I feel like y'all be spending that much at McDonald's. Like, why are y'all mad? Y'all see that?